First of all, it's been a minute. It's really been a minute, y'all. I needed a break. I promise you, I needed like a social media break. So, did you miss me? Period. You already know who it is. It's your girl, Isha Levette. Back at you with another little one, too, honey. And I just got some indies. Very much so got some indies. Because we're going to try this again. You know what I'm saying? We're going to try it again. So, I got an 18-piece regular. Do you see where it says, well done? I commend whoever put well done. Shout out to you, Destiny, at the drive-thru, period. I got a small green bean and a sweet potato. Now that was dead wrong for that, huh? Got a little roll. Thank you, Lord. 18-piece regular, period. And then got a little small green bean. Now I was gonna get the greens, but I wasn't trying to be on the toilet. So the green bean. And then this is giving sweet potato with a B. That's about it. So let's dig in. Thank you, Lord, honey, for the food we fixing to receive. Happy Mother's Day to all of y'all and me. Honey, I ain't no mommy, but shout out to my unborn children and all the children that I have aborted via the toilet, condom. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Time out. I'll take it out, y'all. Anyway, so we got some indies, honey. This is the type of chicken right here, that I always say you don't need no sauce. And honestly and truly, I aspire to create dishes that you don't need no seasoning, no sauce, no nothing. Leave my shit alone, bitch, unless it comes with sauce. But if it don't, leave my shit alone. Anyway, thank you, Lord. So if you ever down in Louisville, well, I guess they all over Kentucky. I'm not sure. I know ones in like maybe Lexington, maybe. If you in Louisville, get you an 18-piece from Indi's. Most people get all flats. It depends on how you feeling. I like a little bit of both. Get you an 18-piece. Now you can get spicy. I don't get no spicy. Indy spicy, too spicy for me. Indy spicy, too spicy. But get you an 18-piece regular. It come with the roll. You can get the wedges. I ain't want no wedges. They wedges spicy to me too. So it depends on your spice level though. You know. They also serve whole pieces of chicken, like 8-piece cut. So, you know, if you a thigh and a leg girly, you can get you a whirl too. You know what I'm saying? Now the size, it depends on the size. I don't know how people feel about the size, because it's like some restaurants that have good meat and the size ain't hitting on nothing. Some restaurants, the meat will be alright, but the size be cute. So, sweet potato. It ain't bad. There's a lot of like cinnamon, nutmeg I taste in there. They're a little heavy on that, but the texture of these is right on time. Now they claim all this stuff is fresh. Maybe canned, never frozen type shit. I don't know. I don't know. Cause y'all, if it was fresh, y'all stewed the hell out these beans. It's definitely got to be a canned bean. I don't know if it's fresh. Huh. That can't be fresh. I don't taste it, you know. Fresh got a certain je ne sais quoi to it, you know what I'm saying? But the wings ain't big, stupid wings, you know. That's what I like. But sometimes you get a small one, you know. So it's like, damn, did you let the little chicken grow up? Or did you not let the little chicken grow up? So anyway. I ain't been doing nothing, y'all. Taking a little break. Sometimes you do gotta get your head out the phone. You know. And I don't want to burn myself out either, you know. Or burn the handful of viewers at. Because people get eye bored, you know what I'm saying? So since I won a little money on Derby, for the Derby, I didn't know it was like a triple sec, like it goes on. I never do this. So next weekend, next Saturday, I'm betting on the horses again. So I guess this is my little thing for, you know, this season, this time of the year. Is that the start of addiction? That's crazy. Anyway, my auntie, well, she's my big cousin, older cousin, is turning 70. And her party is low-key around the corner. So I'll be fucked up if I don't come. Well, I'm gonna do it today. But it's been a busy weekend, this for me. The last 2 weekends been hella busy. I'm thankful for it. I'm thankful for it. I got a lot of like garlic powder in here though. And when you get your 18-piece regular, if you want it mixed, get you a mix. When you get your 18-piece, get you one of these from the stock. Cheers. Right there. Get you one of them from the store. And that's a meal, honey. So, y'all, I thank you for dining with me once again. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to your girl, Isha Levette. And it's hot. I just walked in the house. Like, literally just walked in the house with this food. And I didn't cut my hair on. And I'm breaking a sweat. I should have got a medium, though. Damn.